According to Wikipedia, a variable is a storage location paired with an associated symbolic name, which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. In Java, we have three types of variables: the local, instance, and static variables. Let's look at this class with the name Sue. A local variable is declared inside a method. It's only valid inside that method. This means other methods like the main method can't access this variable. An instance variable can be declared outside a method, but obviously it must be inside a class, as you can see. A static variable cannot be local, which means you can't declare a static variable inside a method. It can be accessed directly with a class without the need to create an instance. In Java, there are two types of data types: primitive and non-primitive. In this video, we will look at primitive data types. First of all, what are data types? With data types, you can specify the size and value that can be stored in a variable. For example, you can use integer data types if you want to store integral values like age or quantity of something. In Boolean, you can only store two possible values, which are true or false. In this example, we say the zoo is open, which can be true or false. The byte data type is used when you want to save memory. So instead of using an integer, you can use byte. It has minimum value of -128 and a maximum value of 127. A short data type is smaller than an integer. If you want to work with big numbers and want to save memory, then use this. If an integer is not enough, you can use the long data type. Why? Because its maximum value is 9 you get the idea. Then we have float. If you need to save memory in large arrays of floating point numbers, then go ahead and use it. If you need to handle big numbers and need a data type with unlimited range, then it's recommended to use double. And of course, you can print the variable on your console with system out. This is what I learned today in Java, and I hope I could explain it to you very well. If you have any questions, just shoot me a comment. See you soon.